wherever there's space, just put it in, fit it in there. Don't mind the dumplings, they're not mine. This right here is 4 pounds of ground chicken and 2 pounds of broccoli. And we're just going to portion it out into 5 different portions. And we're going to have 5 meals. So that's for the whole week right there. That's your lunch. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Of course, it's seasoned to perfection. And that's a lot of protein right there. Hey, it beats spending $20 at Chipotle. There you go. You got 5 meals for the week. Just like that. And what you do is you put 4 of these in the freezer, right? And you keep 1 in the fridge. Take 1 down every day so that they stay fresh in the freezer. Because the last thing you want to do is have one of these go bad and then it's not going to work. And that's how we roll on keto. There you go. You put it right in the freezer there just like that.